later. That's because I don't like Java language class, because I cannot speak and write Java character like Chinese character very well. And until one day when my teacher come to our class and then she asked some students to read puppet story in our handbook. That was a good story named Asta Brata, taken from the epic story of Ramayana. That story was began when Rama won his battles against a giant named Rahwana, who kidnapped his wife named Sita. Rahwana has been killed in that battle, and it makes his little brother named Vibhisana feel so upset. Different with his brother, Rahwana, Vibhisana is a good giant, and he never agree with his brother's decision to kidnap Sita. Rama saw Vibhisana's sadness, and he tried to cheer up Vibhisana by telling him story about the braveness of Rahwana and his soldiers in the battle. In the end of the conversation, Rama told to Vibhisana to be a wise king and give the throne to Vibhisana by following 8 characters of the nature named Asta Brata. This 8 character is like, first, Rama told Vibhisana to have character of the sun. Sun is primary source of life and it can grow and develop people. It means a leader should be able to share this positive thinking, give clear direction to people, and be able to solve the problem faced by his people. Second, Rama told Vibhisana to have character of the moon. It means a leader should be able to motivate all of his people because the moon has a beautiful light and it can light in the darkness of the night smoothly. A leader should always positive and a leader should have positive and can motivate all his people to always hope and always believe their dream and reach it both in joy and sorrow. Third, Rama told Vibhisana to have character of the stars. Stars has a beautiful light in the sky and it guides people's directions. It means a leader should always no doubt with his decision, and he can also motivate people to follow him because he should become a role model. Fourth, Rama told Vibhisana to have character of the sky. Sky is infinite and it can accommodate everything come. It means a leader should be able to should have strong self-control, and he always patient to accommodate people's opinions. Fifth, Rama told Vibhisana to have character of the ocean. Ocean surface is flat, cool, and refreshed. It means a leader should put all the people in equal, fair, wise, and regardless where they are come from. Sixth, Rama told Vibhisana to have character of the wind. Wind is everywhere and it can fill up an empty space. It means a leader should always close with his people. The seventh, Rama told Vibhisana to have character of the fire. Fire has its ability to burn everything and destroy everything around. It means the leader should have their dignity but not feared by people, and because they can put the justice and the truth indiscriminate. And the last, Rama told Vibhisana to have character of the earth. Earth is strong and generous. It means actually, those Asta Brata has so many versions and many terms. In Japan, China, and Korea, it has well known as 5 elements of the nature. It doesn't mean whether it is 5 or 8. The most important thing is those principles tell us how to live in harmony with the nature. Particularly for ancient Japanese people, they believe that if people has this 8 characteristics of the nature, his people can truly bring prosperity for the country. That's my stop for the evening.